This is just a cheap Fire tablet, but it isn't trying to be my whole Home Assistant dashboard. It's got one job: be an easy-to-read camera screen right where we need it. That's the important part. The tablet is cheap. The screen is purpose-built. Big camera tiles, almost no text, and nothing on it that makes you stop and decode the interface. The hardware is simple: a Fire 7 tablet, constant power, and a removable wall bracket so it isn't permanently trapped on the wall. I'll put the bracket and parts links in the description and blog post. The mindset is what matters. This isn't a tablet that happens to show Home Assistant. It's a little appliance with a screen, and Home Assistant manages the useful parts around it. I don't point this at my normal dashboard. It gets a dedicated kiosk dashboard with one camera-focused view. The actual route in my setup is dashboard-kiosk/kiosk_overview. The GitHub repo has the pieces split up pretty cleanly. There's a dashboard entry file, a view file, and then a sections partial for the camera cards. The dashboard entry just includes the view folder, and the view points at the sections file. The card YAML is intentionally boring: built-in picture glance cards, camera snapshots, and empty entity lists. On an older Fire tablet, boring is a feature. It keeps the kiosk screen fast and easy to maintain. Fully Kiosk keeps the screen in landscape full screen, keeps the web view alive, and gives Home Assistant controls for brightness, screensaver, foreground app, screenshots, and the start URL. In the morning, the tablet comes back to life with the house. When the bed has been clear for a few minutes, Home Assistant turns tablet motion detection back on and sets brightness to 100. The morning routine can also restart the browser. At bedtime, the rules flip. Normally, motion detection would wake the screen every time someone walks by. That's useful during the day, but it's terrible in the bedroom at night. So when the bed sensors say someone's in bed, the bedtime automation turns off tablet motion detection and sets the screen brightness to 0. The screensaver isn't a fancy dashboard either. It's just a complete black screen with the light level all the way down. The watchdog makes sure that if someone is in bed and the tablet screensaver turns off, Home Assistant turns it back on. The maintenance automation still matters, but it isn't the headline. Home Assistant watches the current page, foreground app, and brightness. If the tablet stops being the camera screen, it brings fully forward and loads the start URL again. That's why the setup works. The Fire tablet is just the display. The dedicated camera view and the house-aware automations are what make it something we actually use. If you want the dashboard side of this next, watch the YAML dashboard video on screen. And if this helped, liking and subscribing helps other Home Assistant users find the setup.